Bitcoin is at 37,000 right now, Ethereum is at 2,300, and Dogecoin is at 34 cents. Is this the end of cryptocurrencies? Is everything just gonna crash and burn and go to zero? I've been getting so many messages from you guys because in my last video I told you guys, yeah, you're losing money, I'm losing money as well, and I'm holding on, right? And ever since then, things have just dropped even more. To give you a little reference, I've bought Ethereum from about 2,900, 3,100, 3,300, 3,900. I even bought at 4,200. So I've been buying throughout, and I can feel this pain, right? Because in the last week, 7-day percentage, Ethereum right now is down 39%. So if you had invested $10,000 in there, you would only have 6,000 left, which is crazy. You just see like all these numbers disappearing. And that is like, of course you're gonna feel uncertain. Of course you're gonna feel fear. You're gonna worry about all your hard-earned money disappearing. I'm not here to give you financial advice, but I want you to think about this in a different way. When you first invested into your cryptocurrency of choice, there's so many. Why did you do it? Has anything changed? Has Bitcoin become dangerous? Is it unsafe to get hacked? Is something off? My answer is no. If you really look at Bitcoin, it's the same thing. All these new articles are just fear trying to get you to sell so that other people with big money can start buying. You have to understand that if you look at the statistics, institutional buyers are picking up Bitcoin into their portfolios. Like these heavy, they have billions of dollars. They want to buy into Bitcoin, right? If everybody believes that Bitcoin is just going to go to 500,000, then there's no money to be made. It would be there already. There's no opportunity, and it would be so costly and so risky for these institutions to buy in. So I believe a big part of this pricing right now, part of it is it's a correction. Bitcoin and Ethereum has just gone skyrocketed up, right? And for every market, a healthy market, it needs some corrections. And this is just one of them. And another one is that there's fear being thrown around so that other people with big money can flush out us. It's just regular buyers so that they can purchase more at a cheaper price. And then they'll just hold on to it. And then when things start climbing up again, and then we're like, oh, okay, it's safe to buy. We're already buying at a higher price. So don't fall into their game. What we as little investors need to do is really do our own research. Like, you don't just listen to me. You do your own research of, has anything changed? Do you believe in it? What is going on? So if you take a look at long term, let me look at Bitcoin prices. Even if you had bought at the highest point in 2018, which is about almost $18,000, right? Even if you bought then, and then you held out until right now, like we're feeling like everything's crashing, right? Oh no, Bitcoin's disappearing. It's still at $37,000. You would have double your money. I know a lot of people had lost money during the 2017, 2018. My fiance had sold off some stuff too, and it just sucks, right? But had you just believed in the whole concept that nothing has changed, then eventually your money would have been back and you would have made more. It's really hard to time the market. You may feel like, oh, if things are gonna go down, what if I just sold right now? And then if it goes down to like 30,000, I'll buy back in and then I'm making money, right? The thing is, it's really hard to time the market exactly. There are people with all these different computers and algorithms, big money, really trying to play against you. They're trying to, the reason I think so many people lose is because there's like a psychology behind this. The big institutions, they want to do the opposite of what the retail investors will do. They were trying to make money off of us. When we think like, it's just gonna keep on going high, that's when they might start shorting, and then they'll start throwing out these fear articles, all these different news to get us to sell, and then they make money on the shorts. And then when we think that everything is just gonna crash, that's when they can start buying in at cheap, and then everything just goes, it's like a cycle, back and forth. But if you just look at the graphs, what happened before is there's no guarantee for what will happen in the future. But if you do believe in the whole concept of the business, or in this case in Bitcoin, of what it brings to the future, then it doesn't matter if you bought in right now at 37,000. It doesn't matter if you buy in at the highest of, like, what was the highest? It was 60, even if you bought it at 70,000, if you believe that Bitcoin is going to go to 500,000, does that even matter? Has anything changed for Bitcoin to not go to 500,000 or whatever target market you had? If nothing's changed, then just hold on, right? If you can just hold on through all of this and then you can just dollar cost average, then you're just riding the wave, and next time there's this bull cycle, you'll be there. So I'm definitely just holding on. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. This is just like, I've been getting so many messages about this. I'm no expert at this, but I just know that if you believe in a business or you believe in something, don't be fooled by the little fluctuations that try to flush you out. Just be certain of the choice you made in the beginning. If some fundamental has changed, if Bitcoin is at a risk of hacking, if it's no longer safe, if it's no longer going to be the future, yes, then decide, okay, does my strategy need a change now? So for now, my advice to you is to just, this is not financial advice, but just stop looking at your account. Stop checking every single minute, because it's a lot of pain, it's a lot of stress. Use this time to just go work out, work on other stuff, and then eventually things will just go back up, right? As long as you are confident in the business itself. And that's what I'm doing. I'm turning all this stuff off. I'm not gonna look at it. Just don't let it bother you. Yeah, that's it. Okay, take care guys. Invest safely. Love you all very much. Bye.